Welcome back to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making something extra special, a roasted strawberry smoothie that takes your regular smoothie to a whole new level. First, we start by cutting the strawberries into smaller pieces. This helps them roast evenly and absorb more flavor. Then, we spread them on an aluminum sheet and drizzle honey over the top. Now, here's the magic. When we wrap them up and roast at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, the strawberries start to caramelize, their natural sugars intensify, and the honey blends in, creating a deep, almost jam-like sweetness. This process brings out a richer, more complex flavor than fresh strawberries alone. Think of it like leveling up your smoothie game. And oh, the smell! When you unwrap the foil, you're hit with this warm, sweet, almost candy-like aroma. It's the kind of scent that makes you want to dive right in. Now, we take these perfectly roasted strawberries and toss them into the blender. Next, we add a sliced banana. This makes the smoothie creamy and naturally sweet. Then comes the milk and yogurt, which add a silky smooth texture and a bit of tang to balance the sweetness. A little extra honey for that final touch of sweetness, and now we blend everything together for a few minutes until it's thick, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. And there you have it, an incredibly smooth, rich, and caramelized strawberry smoothie that's unlike any you've had before. If you loved this idea, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative recipes. Try it out and let me know how it turned out. Trust me, you won't go back to regular strawberry smoothies after this.